I'm your friend, Dr. Charles Apoki. I'm in a Peruvian restaurant in Barcelona, and this is duck with rice, with some other things I don't know their name. Fuma is eating octopus and rice and one kind of thing like that. This is our first meal for today.
It's your chili that you were
With
warned
my
about.
chili, they warned me about this chili that can be very hot. But those of us that eat a riboto and a bagba, there's no chilies in the world that we cannot handle. We handle the Musuka yellow pepper. We can handle this one. So we woke up very early, after 3 o'clock. That's about 1 o'clock Nigerian time, to be able to reach the airport. When we were in the hotel room, you would think that setting out by 3 o'clock or 3:30, that we were early. When we got to the airport, the place was very busy. Don't evaluate life based on your location and your experience and your attitude. When you think that the world is sleeping, the world is moving very fast. And that's the problem we have in this country. We think that the world will wait for us in Nigeria. We think that the world will wait for us. And those primitive and senseless defenders of our backwardness, you don't know the world has moved on. Got to the airport and we were able to board the flight and got here. And God has helped us. We went around and eventually got to the hotel and slept. So we've been looking for a good place to eat, and we saw this Peruvian restaurant. Peru is in South America. And I was discussing with the waiter about Fujimiro. I told him he was president, went on exile and came back. He was surprised that I knew that. I told him I'm a celebrity, and frankly speaking, I've been following global trends, even from the mud house in the ghetto. You can't blame me, Dr. Ofuma. No person can blame me. I've labored to train my children and giving them good opportunities. Other people use government money to do what I'm doing. We are using our family money to do this. It's the way you make your bed that you lie on it. Start planning for your children and children. Start being responsible and thinking good thoughts about your parents and the future of your parents. Our friend from Kuwait and Syria, thought I was Ufoma's brother. And I told him I was his father.
Our friend.
All my friend. So I started early. I started really early. By 29, I had opened my own practice. By 27, I had married. My father was 26, I had married. By 27, I was managing a 40-bed hospital, Royal Hospital, number 4, Pogo Road. So learn to be responsible, learn to be futuristic, plan, and then work hard. You must work hard, and then you will enjoy old age and enjoy opportunities. My prayer for that parent, that child listening to me, is that you have this kind of fraternal relationship with your parents in future. LeBron James just played a game with his son, and I'm playing a game with Dr. Ufoma Apoki. Remember, I have a conference online on the 8th and on the 9th of November. I start becoming a person of influence. From my discussions, I'm already giving you some of the tips. If you are not knowledgeable and you can't influence people, send a message to +234 80 2121 9262. Remember this: caged birds, they think that birds who are flying in the sky are sick. When you are intellectually caged, spiritually caged, financially caged, geographically caged, politically caged, when you see people exhibiting their liberty and their freedom and enjoying life, you think that they are crazy people. Still Dr. Charles Apoki, God bless you.